Okay, this is for physical science. This is balancing practice done real slow with Moser. Okay, so this is literally going through practice problems from the Balancing Chemical Equations practice sheet. The AC Physical Science and General Physical Science had the same sheet on the first 3 pages, so we're just going to go ahead and use this version. We're going to start with problem number 1, which is H2 plus O2 yields H2O. So I've got my chemical equation here, and the very first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this equation with spaces in front of each reactant and each product. I popped that in there all at once. Use the space button as necessary, but what I want you to do is write a space and then write the reactant. Plus, write a space, write the reactant. Arrow, write a space, write the product. You cannot change any formulas. You have to write those exactly as they were in the initial problem. Step 2 is to list every atom and tally them up. What does that look like? So I've just moved the spacing around on my page a little bit. I'm going to list every atom that occurs on the reactant side of the problem. That's hydrogen and oxygen, H and O. Note that I dropped a line down from my little yields arrow. That just kind of lets my brain separate what's happening on the reactant side and what's happening on the product side. I rewrite those atoms on the reactant side. So now I'm going to count them up. I know that I have 2 hydrogen because of that little subscript 2 behind the H. I know that I have 2 oxygen, same reason, that little subscript 2 behind the O. When I look on the product side, I see a subscript 2 behind the hydrogen, so I know I have 2 hydrogen, but there's no subscript on the oxygen, so I have 1 oxygen. Step 3 is when I start changing coefficients to balance. The coefficient, remember, is the number that goes in front of the chemical on the reactant or product side. And right now, since there are no numbers in front of those are all coefficients of 1. All right, what could I balance first? Well, everything except oxygen is balanced. So what if I make this 2 H2Os on the product side? Well, now I have to change my tallies. That gives me 4 hydrogen, because 2 times the subscripted 2 gives me 4 hydrogen. And I have 2 H2Os, which means I've got a total of 2 oxygens. Hey, oxygen is balanced now. Fantastic. Just one problem. Now my hydrogen's unbalanced, so I need to fix that. Okay, to balance my hydrogen, if I put a coefficient of 2 in front of H2, now I have 2 of those H2s, that gives me a total of 4 hydrogen. Hey, everything is balanced. Okay, that's one video. I'll do another video for the next practice problem.